Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can fix the desktop icon not showing problem in a Windows 10. So you have a lot of desktop icons in a Windows, but for some reason they are not visible to you anymore and you want to figure out how you can get those back. So you're looking for a solution. You've clicked on the right video. In today's video I'll show you exactly how you can retrieve all the desktop icon in your desktops if they are not visible. So there are two ways of doing it. The first one is a very simple step. To do that, what you need to do is just right click in your desktop, go into the views option. From the drop down menu you can see the last option is labeled as show desktop icons. If this is not checked, that is the reason why your desktop icon is not showing. So check this, then you can see the desktop icons are back. If this also does not fix a problem, there's another way. What you want to do is right click again, then go into your personalization settings. Once you go into your personalization settings, what you want to do is go into your themes option. From here, what you can do is on the right section you can see related settings. Inside the related settings you'll see an option labeled as desktop icon settings. Click on that. Once you click on that, here you can see all the desktop icons that you want to use. So here you can select all the desktop icons that you want in your desktop to be. I've only selected the this PC and recycler bin option. Once you do that, what you can do is click on apply, then OK, and go back to your desktop and you will be able to see all the desktop icons that you were looking for. So these were the two simple steps to fix the desktop icon not showing problem in Windows 10. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.